They say a single moment can change everything, and one day in Delhi, it did. A peaceful morning turned into chaos. But even in the middle of fear, humanity found a way to shine. This is the Delhi bomb blast, a story of fear, courage, and hope. And today, you will learn English through this powerful, real story. Part 1. The Calm Before the Storm. It was a normal morning in Delhi. The city was alive. Shops were opening, buses were full, and office workers hurried through the streets. The smell of chai and fresh bread filled the air. At Connaught Place, people laughed, talked, and started their day. Just like always, no one knew that within minutes, everything would change. Sometimes, life gives no warning, and that day, Delhi had none. Part 2. The Blast. It happened in seconds. A loud explosion tore through the market. The sound was deafening, like thunder, but closer. Windows shattered. Smoke filled the air. People screamed, ran, and fell. Within moments, the sound of laughter turned into cries of pain. Cars caught fire. Shops broke down. And in the middle of the road, silence, only broken by sirens. In those few seconds, a peaceful city turned into a scene of fear and confusion. Part 3. The Chaos After. Ambulances rushed in. Police arrived and started clearing the area. People were lying on the ground, some calling for help, some too hurt to speak. But then, something powerful happened. Strangers began helping strangers. A man tore his shirt to stop someone's bleeding. A shopkeeper poured water for the injured. Auto drivers carried people to hospitals without asking for money. Part 4. The city in shock. As the news spread, fear moved faster than the wind. People started calling their families, asking, "Are you safe?" Mobile networks jammed. Schools closed early. Offices emptied. News channels showed images of destruction. The whole nation watched, silent, shocked, heartbroken. Was Delhi under attack? Who did this? Why? Questions echoed everywhere, but answers were still far away. Part 5. The investigation begins. The police and security forces started working immediately. They collected every piece of evidence: wires, metal parts, burned bags. Experts confirmed it was a planned terrorist attack. A timer bomb. Investigators checked CCTV footage. They searched for the suspects behind this brutal act. And soon, several groups claimed responsibility. Their goal was clear: to spread fear, to break unity. But what they didn't know. Part 6. The strength of a city. Instead of falling apart, Delhi stood together. People lined up at hospitals to donate blood. Volunteers cooked food for the victims' families. Citizens from every religion, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, came together as one. One message filled the city: terror cannot divide us. The government announced help for the victims. Police increased security everywhere. and people learned to be alert, not afraid. Part 7. The Human Stories. Behind every headline, there are stories. Stories that show the true strength of people. There was Rajesh, a tea seller near the market. His small stall was destroyed in the blast, but he saved 2 children trapped under debris. When asked why, he said softly, "They were someone's children. If I didn't help, who would?" And Fatima, a young woman waiting for a bus. She was injured herself, but she helped an old man reach the hospital. Later, she said, "That day, but compassion makes us strong." These are the real heroes. Not people in uniforms, but ordinary people with extraordinary hearts. Part 8. The Lessons Learned. The Delhi bomb blast was more than just an attack. It was a test of strength, unity, and spirit, and it left behind some important lessons. Lesson 1. Life is unpredictable. We don't know what tomorrow brings, with courage, so let's value every moment. Lesson 2. Fear divides, but courage unites. When we stand together, no terror can win. Lesson 3. Small acts of kindness matter. Even helping one person can change a life. Lesson 4. Stay alert, not afraid. Awareness is strength. These lessons are not just for Delhi. They are for the whole world. Part 9. Time heals, but memories stay. Years have passed since that dark day. The markets have reopened. The laughter has returned. Life has moved on, but the memories remain. Every year, people still light candles to remember the victims. They pray for peace. They thank the heroes who helped strangers without hesitation. Delhi stands tall again, stronger, wiser, more united. The city that was once attacked by fear now walks. 10. Hope for the future. My friend, what can we take from this story? Maybe this: no matter how dark life becomes, there's always a spark of light. When fear tries to destroy us, love holds us together. And when we choose hope, we choose life. The Delhi bomb blast will always be remembered, not only for the pain it caused, but for the kindness it revealed and the strength it inspired. So remember this: even in chaos, be kind. Even in fear, stay strong. And even when the world seems broken, never lose faith in humanity, because the smallest candle can still light the darkest night. Thank you for listening to this story. If this touched your heart and helped you learn, share it with others. Let hope spread, not fear. And don't forget to subscribe to English Strategy for more motivational, real-life English stories that help you grow in language and life. Together, let's keep learning and keep believing in a better world.